Hello! So today I received an Instagram DM showing the most incredible Kirby merch collection in a store not that far from me. My good friend Golden Gibbon kindly DM'd me, giving me a heads up that my local Forbidden Planet is stocked with Kirby merch at the moment. And as luck has it, I'm actually going to Newcastle tonight as I'm attending one of the PlayStation Live concerts. So of course I'm gonna have to detour and see exactly what they have in stock, and I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go. Okay, Kirby area found. Here we are. Look how much they have in stock. Oh my gosh. Okay, so firstly we have blind boxes. So let's have a little look. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. The little car. It's so cute. These are adorable. And they have lots in stock as well. And they also have one singular Kirby in Pop City blind box set. I absolutely love these. I have a few of them and I just love the colour palette of these ones. They are just so adorable. They have this collection here. These ones are such good quality. Look how adorable the designs are. Oh my gosh, I love this one here. So cute. And they also have these like swing ones, which I have a few of these as well. These are absolutely adorable, and the quality, as I said, of the other ones as well, they're just so good. This one I really want. It's like the main one that I wanted. I haven't pulled it yet. I have this one here, but one day. Then they have loads of the Kirby Friends collection. I'm sure if you've watched any of my content by now, you'll know how I feel about these. They are such good quality for the low price, and they also have like a special rainbow rare per set. So it'll be the same as one of the normal ones, but there'll be a secret like rainbow variant, which is so cool. It makes collecting them really fun. I don't know the exact names of these ones, but I do have a couple myself. They're like these like velvet texture figures, and they come with a little stand as well, and they are so cute. These are all the ones you can get. They only have 3 Waddle Dees, but obviously still super cute. And then they have these, look how cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. They have Kirby as well, sitting on a little star. These are so cute. I don't have any of these, like, oh my gosh. I'm tempted to cop, not gonna lie, like how sweet. They also have this Kirby like building set, which is so cool. I don't actually have this in my collection, so this is definitely one that I need to pick up at some point, but how cool is that? And speaking of building, they also have these Kirby like block sets. Again, I also don't have any of these in my collection, but they are so cute. And a bit further down the shelf, they did have some of these, but they are seemingly sold out. But they do have the Wonder Room blind boxes, which these are absolutely adorable. I know I've said this about everything, but come on, it's Kirby merch. Obviously it's cute and adorable, okay? But yeah, these are so cute. They're like little room sets. Oh my God, look at him in the bath. Stop. So cute. And then they have the knit plushies. I'm such a big fan of the knit plushies. Like, stop it. How adorable are these? And they have a few different designs. They've got this one here. I actually don't have this one. This is so cute. And then lastly, just round the side, they have these. I have not seen these before. So it looks like it attaches to different things, and you can like attach it to like a bag strap, which is so cute. They have one Kirby and a fair few Waddle Dees in stock, but oh my gosh, how sweet are these? Okay, so there were actually a couple more Kirby items which I accidentally didn't film because I had my camera set to photo mode and not filming mode, so forgive me for that. But anyway, I thought to make up for it, I would unbox this Kirby in Pop City blind box. So I was actually in Japan when these launched, and I bought 2 of them and then could not find any more. They had sold out. I wished I got more in hindsight, and I got 2 of the exact same one. So hopefully I get something other than this one, because please, I don't need any more. And what one have we got? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's different at least. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Look at the little pool. Okay, let me go and piece it together and I will be back. And here is the final product. Look how cute that is. I love all the little details, like the little beach ball and the umbrella as well. Sadly, my Kirby does have a little mark on it. You can see it there. And it looks like it's like inside the actual Kirby, like it's not something that I can just scrape off, but it doesn't bother me too much. There is quite a lot going on this piece, and I think on the shelf it will just look so adorable, and I'm really glad to have this in my collection finally and not the same one that I've already had twice. So that ends this video. I hope you enjoyed this more mini style vlog. Thought it'd still be fun to go and check out some local Kirby merch. Probably make this more into a little mini series type thing. If I'm just out and about or exploring somewhere new and I find some Kirby merch, I can just make a short video showing you guys exactly what I found. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!